Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. A seagull smacked this girl in the face and was still able to fly away just fine.
Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop the gun!
This person was just watering their plants when the police showed up chasing a suspect. This cat has an interesting looking walk. This is Aries, who is a cat that was born with hyperextended rear legs. He isn't in any pain and is pretty much a normal cat in every other way.
Sunrise, come here. Come here.
Oh, I'm gonna get my... Look, my trousers are getting dirty. Look at the state of my feet. I've got to try and get over there.
Without using any speakers, this person is able to make music by only using an electrical arc. Over the span of 40 years, this man grew his own bonsai tree forest. That's the end of this video. Hopefully this video put a smile on your face, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.